Hello, we just finished installing the Abiloader in 2025 BMW X5. Just a quick run through it. This car has a split boot, so obviously you need to program it in such a way that when you press the button on the front it opens both parts at the same time, and the Abiloader fits nicely. At the moment the car is on the lowest position, lowest suspension, so it does have an air suspension. At the moment it's on the lowest, so I'll send it out. So this is how it looks inside the boot. We didn't cut any panels, so it's still original panels on the side, and we just made a plywood covered with a black carpet on the bottom. So when the car will be on the sale after a few years, all original parts can go back, no problem. So we do have a really good delivery position on the lowest suspension setting. So when the suspension will go up, so the wheelchair will probably go a little bit further back. But in general, it's really nice fit, and we can definitely recommend this car for people who can afford it. Nice to drive, with a bit of my shade on the back. Yeah, so as soon as it in, it just goes back. And yeah, here we go, 2025 BMW X5.